Hi, and welcome back to TechSub. I am Akanksha Anil, and today I'm going to take you through some easy steps to register as a buyer on our website. Even if you're a new user or you just want to refresh your memory, keep watching this video to learn how. Step 1. Click on Register button. To get started, head over to our website and look for the Register button. It's usually prominently displayed on the home page. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. Step 2. Select user type. There you go. Now you'll be directed to the registration page. The first thing you'll need to do is select your user type. This could be buyer or seller. Choose the buyer button. Step 3. Fill registration form. Fantastic. Now that you've selected your user type, it's time to fill out the registration form. This is where you provide some basic information to create your account. Things like your name, email address, and a secure password are typically required. Go ahead and fill in those details. Step 4. Accept terms and conditions. Great job. Next up, it's time to read through the terms and conditions. It's important to understand the rules and guidelines that govern the use of our platform. Once you've gone through them, you'll usually find a checkbox that says I agree or something similar. Click on it to accept the terms and conditions. Step 5. Fill KYC details. Awesome. We're almost there. The next step involves filling out your KYC details. KYC or Know Your Customer is a standard process that helps us verify your identity. Provide the necessary information, which may include details like your address and identification documents. Perfect. Once you've completed your KYC, enjoy the features and benefits of being a part of TechSub. Log in and check in the latest deals and offers. Until next time.